Hello and welcome to Arts and Crafts Kingdom. Today we're going to make a jewellery box from an old shoebox. It's got drawers and shelves and you can put all your jewellery and hair clips and any accessories inside. Make sure to watch all the way to the end to see if I show the artwork that you have sent in on today's episode. So first of all, find yourself an old shoebox. It doesn't matter what size because we can always adjust your measurements to the size of your box. And then we're going to decorate the box. So we're going to cover it completely in coloured paper. So for the inside we have chosen pink, but you can choose any colour you like. Make sure to cover all of the box. So on the outside we're going to put purple paper. I'm going to make sure we cover the top and the bottom and the sides. We're going to glue it down with glue stick or PVA glue, whichever's easiest for you. And then we're going to create our shelves. So our shelves are 16.5 centimeters long, but you can adjust that if it doesn't fit inside your box. And they're 9 centimeters wide. And we're going to cover them because they're on the inside with pink. You can make as many shelves as you like. Now we're going to make our drawers. So they are 23 centimeters long. And 16 centimeters wide. We're going to draw a line down the length of our card. And then we're going to draw another line 3.5 centimeters in. We're going to do both on each side, so it looks like this. And then with our parents' permission and guidance, we're going to use a knife to cut along our lines. Take away the excess cardboard and then fold along the remaining lines to make your drawer. I'm going to glue those together. You can use super glue or a hot glue gun. Don't forget, if you use your hot glue gun, you have to ask for your parents' permission and guidance. And then we're going to cover it in pink because it's on the inside. And completely cover it so it's very, very pink. I'm going to make 2 of those, but you can make as many as you want. And then we can just slide them all in, our shelves and our drawers, into our shoebox. We're putting one at the bottom, one in the middle of the 2 drawers, and then 2 shelves at the top, like so. And we just slide in the drawers here. And there. Perfect. Then we're going to make the drawer handles. So we've got some bright yellow sparkly paper that we're going to roll up And then using PVA glue or a glue stick or a glue gun, we're going to stick our handles, our lovely sparkly handles, onto our drawers. Perfect. We can put all of our jewellery into our jewellery box. Our bracelets, our hair accessories, and in our top drawer we're putting a piece of foam so that we can put our earrings in nice and safe, so you can actually push your earrings into the foam to keep them from getting lost and muddled up. And in our bottom drawer, we're going to put our necklaces. You can put whatever you want in your drawers, on your shelves, to keep it all safe and neat. I can't wait to see what you guys create. Now it's time for Let's Show Your Art. This part of the episode is where we show photos of all your amazing arts and crafts that you have sent in. Today's artwork was sent in by Daisy, and Daisy has drawn us a peacock, and I don't think I have ever seen such a cool peacock. This is very colourful and very lifelike. I love it. Well done, Daisy. If you would like to send in photos of your arts and crafts for us to show in one of our videos, then please send it to this email address. And that's all we have time for today. Make sure to like this video by pressing the thumbs up button and press the subscribe button below to be the first to watch our new videos every week. Also, don't forget to tell your friends in school about Arts and Crafts Kingdom. See you soon!